Want to change your name on Facebook but not sure how? I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to change your name on your Facebook profile. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. Now let's get started. To change your name on Facebook, first of all, friends, open the Facebook app. On Facebook, go to the 3 lines at the top right side. These lines can be on the right or left side depending on your device. In the middle of this video, I'll also share some helpful tips about changing your Facebook name, so watch carefully. Then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Settings. Now from here, friends, go to Account Center. Next, tap on Profiles at the top. Now select the profile you want to change the name for. I'm selecting this profile. Here, friends, you need to tap on the name option. You will see 4 name options. This setting lets you edit your first name, middle name, and last name on your profile. Controls how your full name appears to your friends. And the 4th option is Other Name. This lets you add another name like a nickname. It helps people find you if they know you by a different name. If I want to change my nickname, I select Nickname. And if you want to change your middle name or surname, just select that option here and then edit it. And don't forget to tap Save. If you simply want to change your main name, you can edit it from here. Now listen carefully to this tip. Within 60 days, you cannot change your name again. So think carefully before changing your Facebook name. After changing your name, tap on Review Change. Now from here, choose one name that you want to show on your profile. I'll pick the second one because it looks short and simple. Finally, tap on Save Changes and boom, your Facebook name has been changed successfully. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe, or I might disappear.